everyone, and welcome to Circle Time. My name is Chloe, and I'm happy to be doing Circle with you today. Today we're going to be talking about some birds that like to wake up early in the morning when the sun is just coming out. But we have some other things to do first, so let's take a look. First, we're going to sing our hello song. Then we're going to do the more. That's right. Then we're going to sing one song first before we do our book. Then we're going to do one more song after our book. Oops, I did this the wrong way. Can I fix it? I'm going to move this here. We're going to do another song after the book, but before our book, we're going to sing about the Itsy Bitsy Spider. And then our circle time will be all done. Does that sound good? I think so. Let's start by saying hello. Hello, 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 and how are you? I'm fine, and I hope that you are too. Yay! Our hello song is all done. Next comes the more. The more we get together, together, together. The more we get together, the happier we'll be. For your friends are my friends, and my friends are your friends. The more we get together, the happier we'll be. Yay! And our more song is all done, which means it's time for us to sing about the Itsy Bitsy Spider. We're gonna make little spiders with our fingers, and we're singing together. Let's sing about the Itsy Bitsy Spider. Ready? We're gonna make spiders with our fingers. Can you make a spider? Take 2 fingers on each hand, put them together, and we're gonna go up, 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 up. Yeah? Let's do it. The Itsy Bitsy Spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the Itsy Bitsy Spider went up the spout again. Let's do the great big spider next. Can you do that? We're gonna use 2 hands and make a big, big spider. He's gonna go up too. He's gonna go up, up. But we have to use our big voices. Ready? Here we go. The great big spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And that great big spider went up the spout again. Itsy Bitsy Spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the Itsy Bitsy Spider went up the spout again. Yay! And that song is all done. Now it's time for us to read a book. I'm gonna get all set up, and then we're gonna read a story together about a little bird. Let's read a story about the early bird. Here he is, our little early bird. Early bird likes to wake up early. It's so early in the morning, the moon is still out. She stands up as tall as she can and takes a deep breath of fresh morning air. Can you take a big breath? A big breath. And then Early Bird gets going. Let's go, Early Bird. Across the grass. Across. She walks across the grass. Through the flower bed. Through the flowers. She's walking through the flower bed. Under the spider web. Here she goes. Under the spider web. Under. Up, 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 up the path. Oh, she went so far up. Up, up, up the path. Around the corner. Around the corner. And jump over the cat. She jumped right over the cat. Finally, Early Bird reaches the garden where she finds the early worm. Early Bird goes into the garden and finds the early worm. Early Bird is hungry after her long journey. So she lays the early worm on top of a big, fat, juicy strawberry. And together they share an early breakfast. Look at that. The early bird and the early worm are eating breakfast together. Delicious. And then they sing a song to the sun. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, hiding behind the trees. This little bird and worm are asking you to please come out so they can play with you. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on, please shine down on, please shine down on me. Yay! And that is the end of our book about the early bird who went across, through, under, up, around, over, and into the garden with his friend, the early worm. Yay! Our book is all done. Our book is all done. We're gonna sing one more song about two. Oh, is it two? I can't remember how many birds. Will you help me remember? I'm gonna put them on. Can you tell me how many birds there are? How many birds? One, and you're right, there are two birds. Two little birds sitting on a hill. One named Jack and one named Jill. Fly away, Jack. Fly away, Jill. Come back, Jack. Come back, Jill. You can do this song with your fingers too. Ready? We're going to pretend our fingers are the birds. Two little birds sitting on a hill. One named Jack and one named Jill. Fly away, Jack. Fly away, Jill. Come back, Jack. Come back, Jill. Yay! Thank you. That little song is all done, which means that now our circle, all about the little birds, is all done. Circle is all done, all done, all done. Circle is all done. And now it's time for me and Jack and Jill to all say bye-bye.